guys, it's your boy Art. Welcome back to another video. So today's video we will be duping this Tyrax in Lumber Tycoon 2. So first, you want to get your axe out, or you want to dupe, whatever you want to dupe. Go menu, press load, press B at the same time, like that. Go like this, drop it, boom. You go to that slot over there. Like that, and then when it does it, let's just, why is this random? So we're gonna spawn it here, right here. No, that's the working thing I'm on, to kill people when they got trapped and take their axes. Wait, what? It did not work. So we will try again, but today I want to show you all my things. Look at this candy. Oh my gosh. And look at this pumpkins. I buy them today. No, yesterday. I duplicated all these. I duplicated that with the. Oh, I've already gave two away. Free. I'll give it away to my fans, because one time I was in a game and this guy called Justin Omega 3, shout out to you. He said he subscribed to my channel and he knows me. And I was like, whoa, you actually know me? Because no one literally watched my videos, but he does watch it. He's a master. Shout out to you. So let's try again. I'm picking up my fire axe right here. I'm going load basically, and then I click this at the same time, like that, and then literally drop it as soon as I want it. So like that. That's how you do it. Now you just wanna go all the way like this. Basically, that's what I do. Select it down here. So guys, it's not duping. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna exit this game. We're going to go in a different server like that. Eat these skis. No, not one of them. So, and we're just waiting, sorry. So, still joining, sorry. This game is literally so slow. Guys, it's October, everything's Halloween. Everything literally is Halloween. So, yeah. I'm gonna spawn my base behind here. It's behind this rock. Shout out to Storms Players. Go check his channel out. He's got loads of good videos. Come on, check him out. He's doing a full credit job. Give him credit. Give him a subscribe. Give him a like on all of his videos. Yeah. What was that? That was my my thingy. I've got this, like, on my tablet. I've downloaded this weird thing, makes SWAT sounds every time. Wait. It has to do 1 minute after because it's really hard to do. Whoa, look how much good I've got. Whoa, someone said swear word on the chat. I ain't putting this on. That's my axe loaded. Oh crap, here they are. So yeah, what you want to do is you want to get any axe, like, what axe should I do? This one. I'm just going to do the fire axe because this is the first axe you ever do. So yeah, we'll get this axe. Oh my gosh, look how much money this guy's did. Look how much money, guys. Oh my gosh. Everyone's got 1,000 in this game at least. Okay, I'm back. Sorry for that. I was just looking, don't know what sound if it's on or not. So what you want to do is you want to press 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just do it again. Load. Boom. Yes. Nice. Nice. You've been asking this. All of you have been asking this. Wait, pause. Everyone's been asking for that. But yeah, everyone's been asking for. So everyone's been asking for it. So when you do that, I'm going. Whoa! Look at. Oh my god! Did you just see that? Sorry. Where am I? I forgot. And put it here. Okay, so that. So you've been asked to put that here into it down. And yeah, basically you've been putting. We duped it. You see, we got it. As you can see, this axe. Boom, we got one here, and then one here. So yeah, that's how to dupe. So this is for you guys for the end. Okay, that was an ad that accidentally came in. Sorry. Oh my ear! It's an ear rape. McDonald's ear rape.